ప్రతి మార్పుకి ఒక నాంది ఉంటుంది. లిటిల్ ఫ్లవర్ డిగ్రీ కాలేజ్ ఈరోజు ఉప్పల్ దగ్గర ఉన్న ఈ కాలేజ్లో ఆ కాలేజీలో పడే నీటి సంగ్రహ పనులకి అక్కడ ఉండే చెత్తా చెదారం వాటి సరైన యాజమాన్యానికి ఒక కొత్త నాంది వస్తున్నది. అందులో భాగంగా ఈ కాలేజీలో చదువుకుంటున్న పిల్లలు, విద్యార్థులు, తర్వాత ఉపాధ్యాయులు కలిసి వాసన్తో కలిసి ఒక యాత్ర చేయబోతున్నాము. ఈ యాత్రలో మన చెత్తని ఎలాగా సరైన యాజమాన్య పద్ధతిలో పెట్టుకుంటాము, మన ఇంటి మీద పడిన, మన కాలేజీ మీద పడిన నీళ్ళని ఎలాగా పొదుపు చేసుకుంటాము అన్న విషయాలని అందరము కలిసి చర్చిస్తాము. ఈ కాలేజ్ క్యాంపస్లో పడిన వర్షాన్ని నీళ్ళని ఎలాగా పొదుపు చేసుకుంటాము, ఎలాగ ఉపయోగించుకుంటాము అన్నది కూడా ఈరోజు వాళ్ళందరితోటి కలిసి చర్చించబోతున్నాము. ఈరోజు 18 జనవరి 2025 మానవలోకానికి స్వాగతం, మానవలోకానికి స్వాగతం, మాలోకానికి స్వాగతం. We are trying to make this campus water positive campus. Okay, that means whatever rainfall that falls on this campus, we are planning to harvest that water and increase the groundwater level so that your water requirement is always fulfilled. You don't have to depend on it. Pavani here, she is a social entrepreneur and she started this enterprise after worrying about waste that we are generating at homes and the city, and she thought we should find a solution to that rather than avoiding the problem. So let us listen to Pavani now. Pavani, these are all students and faculty members from Little Flowers Degree College. Vasan is partnering with them to make their campus water positive as well as zero waste. So we thought this is the best place to start our journey in terms of changing the entire campus, maybe their own homes, their lives towards environment positive, situation. Please explain about yourself.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Pavani, founder Compost with Vapra. So I started as a student. So when I started, I was doing my graduation in Vignan Bharati Institute of Technology, which is nearby. It is in Gatkesar. So what we did was, so when we started, I was a student. I was doing my graduation. I thought as you might also have a eco club in your college, right? You have something like that. I was leading that student forum called Eco Club. Then we used to visit nearby places to see how, we used to distribute bins, we used to bring awareness, not to dump garbage outside. As part of it, we found that waste segregation is a huge problem. So, because even in your home, I think you don't segregate waste, right? You just eat everything, you dump in your dustbin, and the auto wala will come and he'll pick and he'll go. That's all, right? So we thought that is also a big problem. So what can we do for this problem? So that is where me and my friends, you can call friends. So we started, we came together and we wanted to start something in this place. That is where we wanted to create a machine which just segregates waste. That's all. We just thought segregation is a problem. So we wanted to do that, but we failed. And later, I met my co-founder in an event. Then what happened was he was a passionate organic farmer. He also did his graduation in electronic engineering, but he comes from a farming background. So that is where he wanted to do organic farming. As you know, Maharashtra has lot of farmers' death compared to any other parts of India due to drought conditions. So that is where he belongs to Maharashtra. That is where we came together. We wanted to build something sustainable, and that we thought composting is a solution for organic waste, because 60% of the waste produced at our home and which also smells is composting. Which also smells is organic waste. So if we could provide a solution for organic waste, then we have solved almost 60% of the problem. Only 40% is left. So we wanted to start it slow, take one step at a time. So that is where we came to a solution called Compost with Vapra. Then we started our home composting kit. We sold more than 10,000 plus units in past 4 years in Pan India. And then we slowly started this compost plant. It's been 3 years we have been doing here. And we also have another plant in Eragada Raitu Bazar, where we partnered with Government of Telangana Agriculture Marketing Department, where we are recycling waste then and there in the Raitu Bazar. And because the waste is almost 5 tons a day there. So here also we recycle almost 3 tons a day, because here we recycle Uppal Vegetable Market's waste, and also waste of Narayana Educational Institutions, which is nearby, where there is a central kitchen that is in Kuntlur. The waste will come here. I was part of a show called Nenu Superwoman in AHA. So during there was an interaction, is something similar to Shark Tank. So then I came to interact. I was with Narayana Educational Institutions. They wanted to place something like this in their college, and initially they are sending this, and we are going to set up one in each campus of theirs. And apart from that, we are also partnered with municipalities, because municipalities has a lot of problems, waste being the major one. So we are now doing operations in Aminpur, where we not only recycle wet waste, but we are also doing for dry waste with my partner Kanada. He'll be joining in 5 to 10 minutes. So where we give a complete solution for dry and wet waste at their dump yard itself. So I think it is uncontrollable for you, because you are coming to a recycling plant or else a composting facility for the first time, but we sit in dump yard almost 24 by 8 hours to 9 hours a day. So it is something where it is all our responsibility, because if you are because you might be closing your nose, covering your nose, but if you could recycle your waste at home, this will not happen.
Municipality is bringing here, we need solutions like this, but solution is there within your own hands, within your own homes, and then this system is not necessary actually.
Yeah, and like we generally composting, once the processed waste will not smell. Whatever it smells is waste. Once it is processed, it will not smell. I will explain you briefly about what we do, and we have a different range of products. One being the home composter for a particular home, and like for suppose there are many terrace gardens, people who are into like building some beautiful terrace gardens and all. For them, we have a garden composter, or else for a family, joint family, and also we have garden composters, where they can just simply dump waste and then just forget it. It will not smell, because waste, once it is kept without process, that will smell. And we also have community composters. For suppose if there is an apartment, if there is a community who want to compose their waste at their facility, that is where we provide our community composters. And we also have big community composters, which is completely automized, where we place these community composters in like what do you say, large communities, and also municipalities and all. That is something which we do, and I am very proud to say that our composting process just 7 days. So generally composting happens in 45 to 60 days. It will take 45 to 60 days, but we have brought that down to 7 days. That is something, that is our USP, and that is something which we provide at our place. At Vapra, composting is very easy. Once it is processed, it doesn't smell. Your waste only smells. So you can, I will also show you the end product. It smells like soil. So what we do here is we cut the waste, we get the waste. For sample, we have just, actually our waste comes at 10:30 or beyond. But for your purpose, I have just asked them to put some waste so that we can show it to you how generally, like we didn't even segregate the waste. You can also see how like we all, and there is one more thing, we have only all women staff in all the plants. So like 2 of them are on leave. Here 5 women work. Initially they are like women, if they are not financially independent, maybe that their decision doesn't matter in their home. But these women are initially they were homemakers. Now they are financially independent. Like as Sir told, I am a social entrepreneur. For social entrepreneurs, money is not the priority. It is the hit we get once. For suppose if there is a woman who's coming to me saying that with the salary I have paid my son's fees, or else I'm sending my children to corporate like English medium school, not a government school. That brings a lot of joy. I've bought a new mobile, which is a smartphone. That gives me a lot of joy. So as a social entrepreneur, we are also along with me. There are many 5 more women in this plant. We also have Eragada plant, Aminpur plant. There we are helping people to recycle waste and also build their livelihood. That is something which we are doing. And we generally bring the waste, cut the waste, mix with our green mix powder and put that in aerobic condition so that it gets to compost in just 7 days. Initially, we'll just show you the process. You can kindly come in one by one so that we can also show you the process. Whatever the plastics are there, they segregate it. So initially ఇప్పుడు మీరు ఇంత వేస్ట్లో అంత బ్యాగ్ చెత్త వచ్చింది. సో ఇది వచ్చిన తర్వాత దీన్ని మనం తీసేసి ఒకసారి మీరు సెగ్రిగేట్ చేసిన తర్వాత ఏం చేస్తారు? సరే ఇప్పుడు తీసేస్తారు. తీసేసిన తర్వాత దట్ ఈస్ అ షెడర్ వేర్ వి షెడ్ ద వేస్ట్. సపోజ్ మీ ఇంట్లో లైక్ దేర్ ఇస్ అ బనానా ఎట్ యువర్ హోమ్, యూ లెఫ్ట్ ఇట్ ఆల్ అలోన్. వాట్ హ్యాపెన్స్? There will be fruit flies that will start decomposing. It will turn black. It will smell. You cannot stay there. What happens? That starts decomposing. Decomposing already అయిపోతుంది. That is where, so like once if we leave the same way, it decomposes. అంటే అంటే అట్లా వదిలేస్తే ఏమవుతుంది? ఎట్లా డీకంపోజ్ అవుతుంది అంటే that is not good for you, your home or else environment. So it whatever. If you leave the same way, the methane emission will be more. It is not good for us. So what we do is like we shred into small particles. Adoddu chinna chinna waste. That same thing went and it has shredded. Whatever the waste is there, that is being shredded. So this is a shredded waste. This whole waste has been shredded into 1 to 1.5 inch of size. Once it is being shredded, we mix that with our green mix powder and we also add sawdust because this has lot of liquid. In vegetables or anything, the moisture content will also be will only be more. For suppose if you are cooking 1 kg of vegetable, that will come down to 3/4 or half a kg once you cook it, because there will be moisture losses. So these are the this is the moisture. So this moisture should also stay inside. So to hold that and to get that to 60% of moisture, what we do is like we add sawdust also. Sawdust is something where it will absorb liquid. So we will do that.
Now, just before they start, I just want to add a point. See, you can see that lot of plastic is mixed with this. So it is adding lot of burden to them. You know, if we separate it at home, all plastic, this process is simplified.
It will be easy, quite easy.
For you to, even at home or them. So that's why we are always saying segregate waste, dry waste, wet waste.
So they'll add this waste and they will also add green mix, which is back. Green mix is a microbes, ma'am. For suppose I will tell you, conversion of vegetable waste to compost is similar to converting milk to curd. That is our USP, ma'am. That like we have a separate team, technical team, which just makes it looks like compost, but we add decomposer liquid into it, and we and we put that so that it dries and holds the active microorganisms. There will be microorganisms. The same process is also similar to milk to curd. That is also a microbial process. Our products are available online. If not, like if they want to start composting, That is so easy for them, ma'am. Initially, they can mix it with, for suppose if there is waste, if they want to start initially, they can just mix waste with mud also. They can mix mud and put that aside, or else if they can mix mud. If they want to start initially, they can also add buttermilk on it, so that microbial process will start. But if they want to do effectively and in just 7 days, we have our products online. We sell online.
Basically, the USP
Yes,
is
sure.
it takes long time, but you can reduce that to 1 week so that you are quickly generating compost without waiting for long time. Yeah.
Something which we
Creating
do.
all this.
And which
Okay,
you
waste, we are
all
not
can also do at
segregating.
home.
You all can do this at home. Okay, you all can do it at home. And
Yeah, we
this
sell
can
it.
be done. You don't have to transport.
We sell it to
you know,
terrace gardeners,
hundreds of kilometers
farmers.
and do this.
And I will also show you the home composting kit.
And
Idoka sir.
after making this, somebody is buying from you.
Yes, sir. We have terrace gardeners, farmers, export quality. For selling export quality, we need organic certification. They need to have organic certification. So they take our compost, which is in mostly in Sadashivapet, which is far away from here. And we also sell it in Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Karnataka.
So you sell by one bag, something like
Yeah,
that?
we have 50 kgs, 25 kgs bags.
Okay.
Whereas as I told you, we have 10 rupees. We sell it for 10 rupees per kg.